Control number 39945. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, ma'am. I am LCH Bacani. I'm 36 years old. I am a single with live-in partner. I have two children, one boy and one girl. Her age is 14 years old and 16 years old. I have two brothers and two sisters, and I am the youngest of the family.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money to support my children and my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I am working as a caretaker in Taiwan for almost 3 years, and I take care of elderly.
What can you do for elderly?
I take a bath, changing diaper, changing clothes, and preparing food and medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and
Yes.
children?
I take a bath, preparing food, feed, and play with them.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I can cook and tutor and sew.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am a honest, responsible, and hardworking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I cook Chinese food like steamed fish, vegetable, and chop suey.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
If I have a mistake, I apologize to my employer and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me like as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
To my future employer, if you hire me, I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise I finish my contract within 2 years or more. Thank you.